Happy Thanksgiving, YouTube. AJ Shaver here with Shaver Sales, and we're just so thankful for you, all of our viewers, all of your comments and the likes, and just all of our subscribers, and so thankful for our very own family. And just want to get this one in before I go upstairs and eat, and because once that turkey tryptophan kicks in, I'll be a goner, and then I'll forget to do this video. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one done and out of the way first. Promo code for today is 4773, and it's for another 2024 Autocycle Fast Split commercial splitter. We are doing this one with a 6-way and an 8-way wedge. The normal retail price is $20,800. We're going to go ahead and give you the 10% off, which is $2,080, to give it a sale price of $18,720. We're going to go ahead and do the flash sale on this one and take off an additional $920 to give you $3,000 in savings on this unit. So the crazy price is going to be $17,800. And that's on a 2024 Autocycle Fast Split 6-way and an 8-way. Give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, but don't eat too much food.